Okay, how to write it? A single horizontal stroke from top to bottom, and it rests on the line. Okay, before drawing it, I will explain the lines. Whenever we write Arabic letters, words, then it's actually written between two lines, but this one is an imaginary line. By that I mean, if you go to this one, so the imaginary line, if you see here, let's suppose, for example, we have one line here. So let's see, this whole text is written between two lines. Let's suppose this one and this one, and this imaginary line, if you notice that every letter, this is like, this is the imaginary line. That's why it says is rest on imaginary line. So if you see this alif, it rests on there, alif is rest on there, alif is rest on there. So you don't see this imaginary line in the real text, but it is there. So this is what I mean, this imaginary line. Okay, if I explain with another color, probably. So this is imaginary line, you can see here. Okay, so whenever we explain that a letter will be resting on the line, this imaginary line, this is what I mean. Okay, go to the next one. Okay, how to write it? It's single horizontal stroke from top to bottom. So you start like this, let's see, and it rests on the line. If you have the alif in the beginning, it's the same as if it is unconnected. Okay, alif. If it is in the middle, if you see here, there's a connecting point before here, so it's written like this. You basically you will be writing some other letters, and then you connect to that, so it's like this. Similarly at the end, like this, so you can connect something before it. Okay, and it rests on the line.